Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you
Paragraph writing topic: honesty.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. Keep showing your support. So today we will talk about honesty is the best policy. We will talk about how honesty can help us in our life and how it can build our character. Honesty is the most important human value. According to today's topic, it is the most admirable quality in a person for which he will always be admired. He is deserving of his fiercest opponent's trust. Honesty refers to a person who has no desire to deceive, steal, or defraud others. The truth will always win out for an honest individual. This quality is linked with commitment. It is uncommon to be fooled by a trustworthy individual. The most important character quality that everyone should have is honesty. Possessing this quality is extremely useful to a person's entire life. The bravery to speak the truth and reject adultery is described as the courage to speak the truth and reject infidelity. This road of integrity's follower is easily identifiable. His presence will reach a pinnacle of tranquility and will be devoid of all complexities. A dishonest individual lives in a constant fear of his falsehood being exposed, which leads to difficulty. As a result, in order to live a calm existence, it is important to go along the path of honesty. In life, such a path will never lead to a failure. Furthermore, people will remain reliant on and glorify a trustworthy guy. They will not hesitate to entrust their most prized possessions to that trustworthy individual. Despite being surrounded by a dreadful atmosphere, nothing can sway him. Honesty is a must for being a good human being. When you are ruled by traitors, it's the capacity to tell the truth. When it comes to a fight between an honest person and a traitor, the former will win in the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep supporting this channel. Even if his life is in risk, a person devoted to integrity will speak the truth. Honesty has a major social influence. The existence of this quality becomes even more strict and the community's expectation of the presence of honest individuals stays alive. The act of not taking someone's money falls under this category of fairness. Returning the owner's things to him as a tremendous deal of dignity. Dishonesty manifests itself in stealing and cheating. Such error might bring shame on the sinner's upbringing. These are serious offenses that can lead to the sinner's death. No one will be able to hire him since his genuineness has been questioned. Honesty, on the other hand, may be the deciding factor in getting a dream job. To solidify one's character, it is necessary to be a trustworthy individual. Only by consistency being honest with our friends can we earn their trust. Even the most cruel person on the planet, honesty is the one human quality that is appreciated and required. Everyone wants to be lenient on someone or something. We do, however, rely on people in whom we have strong sense of confidence. We frequently have faith in someone who will remain faithful for us and to us. Most of the time, we entrust our things to close relatives, particularly our parents. Parents have shown to be the most devoted and faithful person in such a condition. Even from someone who is not in our relationship, we may demand honesty. Even the given situation, that is, he is honest, a stranger can be trusted more than a known person. When a person finds money by the side of the road, he sometimes returns to its owner. An honest individual is unconcerned about lying. He will live a peaceful life since he is not troubled by the need to save any falsehood. A liar and dishonest person will be punished in the end and will have a difficult life. A devoted one will not experience any mental anguish. Unfaithful people have proliferated throughout the world. In today's world, the immorality of misleading one another has become the norm. Every single person has rapidly embraced a sleazy environment. It is not considered harmful for anyone to come in contact with a dishonest individual. Honesty seems to have vanished from the face of the earth. Corruption in intimate relationships is getting more frequent by the day. Nobody can be expected to be completely faithful all of the time. Honesty is believed to be unheard of in the human race. Honesty, on the other hand, is universally recognized as the most valuable of all human characteristics. Even though there are more unfaithful people than faithful people, the latter will still be praised. As a result, it has always been seen as a valuable quality. The honest person has the fortitude to accept the unreal truth that are offered to him as true. In front of the entire world, he reveals his true objectives. He is said to carry out all of his actions with a benevolent intent. This is an indication of a person's improved character. Almost every profitable and non-profit organization uses this attribute as a selection criteria. It is reasonable for a firm to want to avoid fraud and to be cautious when entrusting a stranger with its business. Honesty is viewed as a bonus by the candidates in their quest to be employed by their ideal firm. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep supporting this channel. One of the most important aspects of every human interaction is honesty. Honesty is required in all relationships, from parent-child relationship to boss-employee relationship, in order to preserve mutual trust. In the lack of morals, the link's pillar will stay weak. The primary purpose of any communication should be to preserve one's partner's trustworthiness. That connection will serve as a reminder that the best policy is still goodness. Because of their fundamental characteristic, the partners in an honest relationship will be popular among their employees and friends. So you will be thinking, how does justice benefit from honesty? Well, honesty entails telling it like it is. Anyone with the courage to tell the truth will expose the errors used by the deceiver to trap an innocent opponent. Why is there more deception than truthfulness? Because individuals are frightened to disclose the truth, there is more dishonesty than honesty. They don't want their errors to be exposed. There is a lack of direction and motivation to urge them to disclose the truth. The brave ones, on the other hand, are willing to display their true colors. Is it possible to be honest throughout one's life? Well, a person with strong character may stay focused on his goal of living a life with integrity throughout his life. Is it important to always speak the truth? Well, in life, we may encounter a number of circumstances in which we are unable to speak the truth. It's possible that the motive is to protect someone from harm. As a result, it is preferable to lie than to avoid catastrophe in his life. And that's it for today. Don't remember to stay honest, as honesty is the best policy. Thank you for watching this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much.